So for this tutorial, you will be learning how to make a paper cube. And here are the materials needed: paper, ruler, pencils, penknife, glue stick, tape, and a sharpener. Make markings on a sheet of paper for every 2 cm intervals to prepare your 2x2 cm cube. Next, cut it out into smaller sections. Then take one of the sections and crease it along the line like so. When you're done, cut it into individual strips of 5 squares. Next, take one strip and tape it into a cube shape as shown. Right, then repeat this step 2 more times and slot them in place. Now, take the last strip as shown and glue it down to the last face to form a completed cube. Alright, so check out tutorial 2 and take this to another level with the STE What's Next challenge. Good luck!